Mila Stomatova, these are your favourite things. Favourite musician, band, artist, current, and
Jumpy
abroad.
band.
The Jumbie Band.
Jumpy band is the project that I'm working on.
Your band, Jumbie Band. Where can we see this band in action? On your Instagram.
Yeah, I will send you the
Link to video in bio.
Yeah, I will link it. I will send you the link.
Wicked. Link me to the link.
Yeah.
2, favourite song album now of all time.
I like the Tool Band.
The Tool Band.
The Tool Band.
Is it the Tool Band or is it just called Tool Band?
Tool.
Oh.
It's the American
Wicked.
band.
Tool.
Yeah.
Song?
So, and I like all songs of them. They are...
All of them?
Yeah.
One album, one Tool album?
Letteratus. Letteratus.
Letteratus.
Yeah, and 10,000. It's also the Tool...
Tool 10,000.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, it will be.
Wicked. Favourite movie recently and of all time?
I like the Forrest Gump.
Forrest Gump?
Yeah, it's
Yep.
about...
I love it.
Yeah, it's about my philosophy. Yeah, it's
It
about,
is.
Yeah,
Life is a box of chocolates.
true.
Favourite TV show currently and of all time? Oh, did we do? Yes, we did that. So, have you had a recent film that you've been to see that you liked? Post Forrest Gump.
I like the series of the movie that about the country cities, that New York I love you, London I love you, and all this.
It's called London I Love You.
Yeah. It was the series about different cities.
Yes.
But all the meaning it's about love. It's everywhere.
It's love.
So they created the short movies about the New York I love you. It was like 10 short movies about how it happens in New York, and after they create the same but about the different cities. Yeah.
Who was the director?
They are a lot of directors because of
Right.
the short movies.
Yes.
Was
Perfect.
but
The I Love You, the City I Love You series.
no, it was a New York I love you.
Okay.
And after you put the different
Cities.
in, yeah, you can check.
Perfect.
It's amazing.
Favorite actor? I'll check that out.
Actor. I like the Leonardo DiCaprio.
Fair enough.
Hopefully he have the Oscar now.
That we can just get on and watch his films now that he got
Yeah.
the Oscar. Did you believe that he was well deserved of that Oscar for The Revenant?
I think that he could have an Oscar early.
Yeah.
But
What would you have given him the Oscar for? What performance?
I like the movie. What's the spell?
What's it about?
The beach. Beaches was
The Beach.
The beach. Yeah, I think it was a great one, and
It was good. He was
Yeah.
great in it.
Yeah, and he was great since he was a young.
Yes, he was.
So,
Those early films were incredible.
Yeah, so it's from the 90s.
Yes?
And I think he just like a wine, he grown up and his talents was just opening more and more. So
Love the way you put that. Fine wine, Leonardo. Favorite actress?
actress, I like Meryl Streep.
Fair enough.
Yeah,
She's the greatest who ever lived. Technically.
sure.
Fashion model.
Fashion model. Oh. I try to not do an icon in the fashion.
You don't have a fashion icon?
No.
No. Wow. Great. I mean, that's something. Fashion designer.
Designer. I love the Japanese designer who created the brand Toga.
Is that modern?
Yeah, but I work with her in the London Fashion Week.
Mm-hmm.
And he's super influenced on me like a person and like designers because her collection was super fresh. They just bring me to the canvas, to the art, so I have some kind of my imagination about this.
Fantastic.
So I like
Toga it is.
yeah, I like her so a lot.
Wicked. Favorite accessories now. We're going to get into merchandise, and I would urge you to give me brand names at this point. But if you're political and you don't want to do so, I understand as well, as an art statement. Favorite accessories: shoes, bags, and sunglasses
Okay.
of medium expense.
The accessories, shoes. Shoes, I like the Hoggle.
Hogan.
Hogan.
Hogan?
I don't know how to pronounce.
Is it Hogan?
Hogl.
Hoggle.
Hoggle.
Who makes that?
It's a German, Scandinavian.
Is it?
I don't know.
Sounds Scandinavian, doesn't it?
And I don't know, maybe somebody don't like the Echo brand shoes. They are
Echo?
Yeah, they're ugly a little bit,
But you love them.
Super comfortable. And
Okay, Echo and Hoggle.
And Hoggle, yeah, I like that.
Wicked.
Because it's about comfort.
Comfort first with you, always.
Yeah.
Before style.
I will, if the shoes are not stylish, I will create my look at the other details and it's will be stylish.
Okay, wicked.
But of course I will try to find the shoes that is above the style
Yes,
and comfortable.
exactly. Wonderful. Sunglasses, do you wear them?
So I wear the contact lenses.
You don't.
So and then I just wearing my usually glasses, so I don't need to wear
sunglasses. Okay, fair enough. Bags?
Bags. I like the
Backpack
because of the comfortable too.
Yes, generic.
I like the St. Petersburg brand.
Okay, what are they called?
Kakosina bags.
Kakosina. You're going to DM me that.
Yeah, I will send you.
Wicked. Kakosina bags. Favorite makeup? Do you wear it?
Usually no. I just put maybe concealer a little bit and
Concealer?
Concealer a little
By a
bit.
particular brand?
Bobbi Brown.
Bobbi Brown concealer. I got a brand out of you.
The first one.
Yes. An American. Perfume.
I like the a bit topical. I like the Giorgio Armani and Chanel.
Chanel number 5?
Chanel Coco Mademoiselle.
Coco Mademoiselle Chanel. Giorgio Armani, which is a Giorgio Armani?
Aqua di
Giorgio. Okay, perfect. Favorite store?
Shop store. It's about the clothes.
Doesn't have to be anything. Where do you like to go and spend money?
Supermarket. I like food. I like to eat.
Whole Foods?
In America, yeah.
What about in St. Petersburg?
In St. Petersburg, we have not some kind of super knowing.
You don't have it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I like the local markets because in my home I have the local market, so it's open every time and just people from their villages.
Oh, well, you'd prefer to go to the local market?
Yeah.
Than Whole Foods?
Then I'm at home, yeah, because
okay.
It's just
New York
10
here,
minutes.
The local market in St. Petersburg.
Yeah.
Favorite city or place to live?
As a model, I travel a lot.
Yes.
So I just seen how the
world is.
Yeah, there is will be better to live, but I want to visit the New Zealand.
That can't be your favorite if you don't know it.
I never been there.
Yeah.
But I just want to check how the.
All right, I'm going to give you New Zealand, even though you don't know it.
Because it's kind of the wild piece of our planet that it's kind of.
So in your mind, your favorite place is New Zealand.
Oh, maybe Norway.
Or Norway.
Norway, yeah.
Okay. Even though you've been to neither. It matters more to you that it's an imaginary place.
Yeah, I never been there.
But it's your favourite anyway. Favourite restaurant?
There.
In Norway? Or New Zealand? You don't even know what the place is.
In St. Petersburg.
Yeah.
I like the... can I say the bar also?
Yes.
So I like the bar, then I meet my
husband in?
Yeah, the bar is the Union.
The Union St. Petersburg?
Yeah, St. Petersburg.
Is it famous?
It's famous about the artists.
Yes, it's the arty haunt, yeah.
But not only about them, so I can't say yeah.
Okay. Favourite holiday destination and hotel that you might have visited on that holiday?
I want to come to Ireland or
Ireland?
Iceland.
Or Iceland?
I read about the hotel.
Yeah,
there is
built
the
out of
blue,
ice.
There was the blue
Water?
lake.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Iceland?
It was the Milky Lake or something like this.
Okay.
So
There's a hotel with a milky lake in Iceland.
Yeah.
What is a milky lake?
Because the water there, it's like a milk.
Wicked.
And blue, so I can send you them.
Fantastic. That hotel you want to go to in Iceland.
Yes, it will be great.
Favorite food? Meal? Last meal before you die?
Last meal. So, I like cheese and all about it.
So give me your favorite type of cheese. On this last cheese platter, what is going to be on it?
I like the gorgonzola.
You're going to have gorgonzola.
Yeah, and about the soft one, I like the camembert.
Camembert over brie.
A little bit of brie, and the plate will be okay also.
Great. That's it? Just the three cheeses? Camembert, brie, and gorgonzola.
And about the meal, the whole meal, I like the Georgian kitchen.
What is that?
Because
it sounds a lot, the whole kitchen.
My stepfather, he's from Georgia. So, and it's why I like this kind of kitchen. So, and my grandfather, he was an agronome. So he made his own wine. So it's why I like the cheese and wine above. And about the Georgian kitchen, I like the taste. I like that the wine, cheese, and all
the whole shit.
Cool stuff is there. So I think that to eat and enjoying the food is kind of the enjoying the life, I think.
All right, but for you, that last meal is going to be a cheese platter with wine.
Not without wine. So it will be like a cheese and salad.
No bread?
No.
You don't eat carbohydrates?
I eat bread, but it's not...
It's not the main thing?
Yeah, it's not the
Okay. Perfect. Favourite animal? Pet?
Cat.
Like cats?
I like cats.
Any particular breed?
I'm a cat
person.
I'm a cat person.
I could tell. And lastly, favourite social media for the marketing guru that you are?
Social media, favorite.
PR.
I think now it's the time of the Instagram.
It is.
As you know, and it will be developed more and more.
Yes.
And I can say that the trend of the next year will be the video.
Video on Instagram.
Video will be more
important, pushed.
Will be more popular because now we see the stories, then people live stream. It's also about the video.
Yes.
And it will be popular, the mix of the photo and video. Just like you see the picture that something is frozen and just the hair of the winds is blowing or something like this. So it's
fantastic. There's a word for those things. I don't know. I can't remember what they're called. But those moving photos, there's a word for that. Something gram. Movie gram. I don't know. I can't remember.
Yeah, it's kind of.
You think that's going to be big?
I think because people just wanna see something more moving, more activity. So and life is going faster and faster, and that's why
you need a bit of the sense of motion.
It's true.
Wicked. Thank you so much. That was delightful.
Thank
you. Mila, those were your favourite things. Thank you very much. We'll see you again soon.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.
Take care.